Scrolling dreams through lines of code. A digital heart where life is bestowed. Binary trails in a neon tide. Matrix life where we coincide. Plugged into the endless stream, living worlds built of data and dreams. The matrix hums and comes alive. Matrix life where we thrive. Shadows of pixels in the glowing haze. Connections spark in the virtual maze. Infinite skies on fiber unflight. Matrix life, our endless night. Digits dance in electric glow, the heartbeat of secrets we all know. Through cyber gates we take the dive. Matrix life keeps the soul alive. Plugged into the endless stream, living worlds built of data and dreams. The matrix hums and comes alive. Matrix life where we thrive. We're the code, we're the electric breath, living beyond and outpacing death. Matrix life echoes through our veins. Infinite paths, no earthly chains. We're the code, we're the electric breath, living beyond and outpacing death. Matrix life echoes through our veins. Infinite paths, no earthly change.